All right, getting ready to dive into some fascinating stuff today. We're tackling vocational teaching. We got some really interesting sources from you guys, not just about what these teachers do, but how tech is, like shaking things up on both sides for educators and for anyone looking for a job these days.
Yeah, it's really interesting stuff. We've got this definition of what vocational teaching is and then info about RoleCatcher.
Mhm.
Seems like I want to see how those two connect up.
You got it. So this first source you send over, it doesn't just tell us what a vocational teacher is. It really gets into how complex their role is. It's a lot more than just, showing someone how to bake a cake.
Right. It emphasizes practical skills, of course, but also theoretical knowledge. It's that mix of hands-on and the why behind it all that seems so important.
And then on top of that, and I found this really interesting, it talks about shaping attitudes and values.
Hmm.
Like, you're not just showing someone how to weld, you're trying to give them the work ethic of, I don't know, a master welder.
And that's, when you think about it, where the real impact is. Like in construction or healthcare, you're not just getting someone ready for a job. You're getting them ready to be, like, reliable, even a leader, maybe.
Which makes me think about the tech side of it. Our source talks about how fast technology is changing the industry. It reminded me of those virtual welding simulators. It's not just about knowing how to use the tools anymore, it's about the software.
Exactly. And that's the perfect example of how important it is for teachers and job seekers to stay on top of tech. Think about graphic designers. It used to be all about Photoshop. Now it's a million different programs.
So you're not just learning a trade, you're learning how to keep learning.
Hmm.
And that's useful for anything you do, really.
And that is a perfect, like, bridge to this next source, this role catcher thing. So instead of having, a million tabs open with different websites and your notes and everything, you've got this one platform that's supposed to help you manage your whole job hunt.
Okay, I mean, I'm already interested. Organization is like the most important thing when you're applying to jobs. But it's more than just like a digital filing cabinet, right? This AI thing is where it gets really wild.
Totally. Remember we were talking about how important it is to stay on top of tech? Well, RoleCatcher uses AI. It's like having a brainy assistant to go through job descriptions and tell you exactly what skills to put on your resume.
So instead of me trying to figure out what detail-oriented team player really means, RoleCatcher will just tell me.
Yeah. And it'll show you, like, what skills you might be missing and even, get this, which version of your resume is going to get you noticed for that job.
Wait, hold on. Different versions of my resume.
Yep. And it gets even better. Let's talk about interviews, everyone's favorite. You know how you practice those, like, standard interview questions?
Oh, tell me about it. Already nervous just thinking about it. But how could this help with something as unpredictable as an interview?
Okay, so you practice your answers, right? And you record yourself. RoleCatcher uses its AI to tell you how you did. It's like having a personal coach.
Wow, that's incredible.
Yeah.
But here's my question. We've got this amazing platform, but how do we know what to even put on there in the first place? So we've got this like high-tech platform role catcher, and it can really help you put together like a killer resume and ace that interview. But it all comes back to those core skills, doesn't it? Figuring out what you're good at and then like making sure that's what employers are looking for.
Yeah, exactly. You know that list of functions and core abilities in that vocational teacher source? Things like active learning, instructing, monitoring. Those seem specific to teaching, right? But they're actually super useful skills for lots of jobs.
Okay, I'm not sure I follow. How does monitoring, for example, apply outside of like a classroom?
Well, think about what monitoring actually is. It's paying attention to detail, right? Noticing potential problems and then doing something about it. That's valuable in, like, project management, quality control, even event planning.
Ah, okay, I see what you mean. So it's about like taking those skills, maybe describing them a little differently so they make sense for other types of jobs.
Exactly. And RoleCatcher can even help with that. Remember how its AI looks at job descriptions? You can use that same tech to see how your skills, maybe worded a bit differently, line up with what employers want.
So instead of saying, I'm great at managing 30 kids, I might say, I work well under pressure and can handle multiple projects.
There you go. It's all about showing those skills instead of just saying them, like instead of just saying you're good with technology, maybe you're a vocational teacher who brought like 3D modeling into your woodworking class. That's way more interesting than just a bullet point on a resume.
Show, don't tell, right? It's like that old saying, but with a 21st century upgrade. And this is making me think this whole like informed exploration thing, it's not just for vocational teachers, is it?
Not at all. Anyone looking for a job, changing careers, whatever, can use this. It's about figuring out what you're good at and then using the tools, even the high-tech ones, to get where you want to go.
Yeah, and that's what I love about this conversation. We started with vocational teaching, but we ended up with, like, this roadmap for anyone. It's about knowing what you bring to the table and then, like, shouting it from the rooftops or, putting it on RoleCatcher, which is maybe a little more effective.
Right. Well said. And I think that's a good place to leave our listeners today with vocational teaching, with this awesome platform RoleCatcher, and this idea that no matter what you do, there are always new skills to learn, new ways to grow.
Couldn't agree more.
Yeah.
Until next time, everyone.